You have the option to filter every feature in the Points of Interest section on the opening screen, including finding loads, Truckstop guide, weigh scales, rest areas, sales service, collision repair, truck washes, Walmart, and medical services. In this video, I will use finding loads and Truckstop guide as examples. To filter loads, click on the loads icon from the Explore tab on the opening screen. Click the Filter tab in the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see filtering options to filter by distance from your current location, number of reloads available at the destination of the load, loads from specific brokers, equipment type needed for the load, the destination of the load, and by the weight of the load. To filter based on any of these options, click on the drop-down for that option to set your filters. For example, to filter based on distance, slide the red dot to the maximum distance from your current location you are willing to travel for a load. To filter based on equipment, click the Equipment's drop-down. Then turn off the switch next to any equipment type you do not want to see loads for. Once you've entered all the filters you like, select Close in the top left corner. The list will now show loads with only those filters you selected. To filter the Truckstop guide, click on the menu in the top left corner. Click on Points of Interest, then click on the Truckstop guide icon. Select the Filter tab on the bottom panel of your screen. Here you can filter truck stops based on truck stop type, amenities, distance, and diesel price. To filter based on diesel price, click the drop-down for diesel price and slide the red dot to the maximum price you are willing to pay. To filter based on truck stops with certain amenities, click on the drop-down for amenities, then turn on the switch next to any amenity you would like to see at that stop. Once you have entered all the filters you'd like, select the list icon on the bottom panel of your screen to return to the list of truck stops. The list will now show truck stops where those amenities are available.